In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications for your profile in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're getting started with Microsoft Edge or just trying to personalize your browsing experience, setting up notifications can help you stay up to date and organized. Let's dive into the process, and I'll walk you through each step. First, you need to open Microsoft Edge. If it's not already pinned to your taskbar, you can find it by clicking on the Start menu and searching for Microsoft Edge. Once you've opened it, navigate to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice three dots. These dots are known as the ellipsis, and they hold the key to accessing many of Edge's more advanced features and settings. Click on these three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where you're able to tailor your browsing experience to better suit your needs. Once you've clicked on the Settings option, a new page will open with a variety of options on the left side. You'll see multiple categories like privacy, search, services, and more. But for our purpose today, click on Profiles. This section is important because it lets you manage all the profiles you've created within Microsoft Edge. Whether you have multiple profiles for work, personal use, or shared computers, this is where you can adjust settings individually for each profile. Under the Profiles section, look for Profile Preferences. Click on it when you find it. This brings us ever closer to enabling those notifications. Inside Profile Preferences, you'll see different options that allow you to adjust your profile to make it suit your browsing needs. But the one we're focusing on is Notifications. When you see Notifications, there will be a button on the right-hand side. This button is crucial as it allows you to toggle notifications on or off for your profile. If you notice that notifications are currently disabled, simply click the button to enable them. Once activated, these notifications will help keep you informed about updates and alerts that are relevant to your activities online. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for your profile in Microsoft Edge. While it may seem like a small tweak, having the right notifications can make a big difference in staying organized and proactive with your browsing and online tasks. Remember, these steps are part of personalizing Edge to fit your needs best, so feel free to explore other settings and options within the browser. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly enhanced browser.